Oh, baby, 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 bubba, bubba, baby. Good morning. Chad, good morning. How we doing, man? Chad, how we doing, bro? Happy Friday. We got Zimze, Catastrophe, Tris, Chris, Miss K, Mr. Bond, Owl, Olafi. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Happy CPI day. Yeah. Happy CPI day. Gonna be an interesting one. It is gonna be a wild one. The selling has continued to be selling. We are in 24,631s, chat. The selling has continued to sell. Sellers are sellers today, last night, and yesterday. So with CPI coming out, chat, I don't know, bro. How low do we go? I mean, do we go to the 23,000s? Or do we rip all the way back up? Need to have a week of rest. I am not doing great. Need to regroup myself. Sometimes we gotta take breaks. That's just part of it. TM Racks. Wishing everyone a green day. TM Racks ready to get some racks, baby. Holy. We got CPI coming out in 15 minutes, chat. We gonna watch it, see what's up with it. Chat, we're never live this early, by the way. Ever. Ever. Oh man. Chat, I got this cinnamon roll. I don't know, my wife brought a tray home yesterday. It's kind of ass. Not gonna lie. It's kind of ass, bro. But it'll do. I'm gonna check financial juice here, see if there's any headlines that came out overnight. I don't see anything really. Chat, this is also a good test for me too, to see if like you guys like these early streams or not. I personally, I don't know that I like them. I don't know that I like them, chat. But you know what? We're gonna see how it goes. Like I can wake up early and get around early, but I don't know if my brain's really like functioning to its complete maximum. You know what I mean? I mean, I've been up for like an hour and 45 minutes and I'm awake, but I don't know if my brain's fully functioning, chat. You know what I mean? There's a good chance we just YOLO CPI. Thinking we're doing something good and we're not. You trust my brain? I appreciate that. Chat, real quick. Hold on. Let me show you something. This relationship for anything should be illegal. Chat, let me show you something real quick. Hold on. Wait, how do I show this? Hang on. How do I show this? Hang on, chat. I'm trying to figure out how to show you something. Whatever. I'll just do it like this. Chat, coming out later today, I have a video. We kind of talked about it on a previous live stream, but I have a video coming out today. It's scheduled to come out at 12:30 Central Time. I said in a previous live stream, I think it was an Asia stream, that I'm about to go through a refinement period in my trading and refine a lot of stuff. It's gonna be a good video for you guys to watch. I would encourage you to watch it. It comes out at 12:30 Central. $1:30 Eastern. And then whatever time zone the West Coast is. John, we got 10 minutes till CPI. Ten minutes. Here's a real question, chat. Here's what I'm curious about. Have any of you placed trades this morning? Who's the DJ in here? How many of you have already traded? Eddie, good morning. Chris says, nope, waiting for New York to open. Put a trade on Sim testing brackets. Okay. Okay. Bielka, good morning. How you doing? How you doing, huh? Talk to me. How you doing? Chilling, huh? You big chilling? I like it. I like it. We got 7 minutes till CPI. Chad, I mean, listen, do we go to 23,000s today? Chad, let's do a poll. What do you guys think, bro? Does CPI send us to 23K today? What do you guys think, bro? I mean, we're not far off. It could definitely happen. Okay. So far, it's 50-50. So I got about 5.5 minutes. %60 of you say yes, we're going to 23K. 40% saying no. Oof. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Chat, also, dude, I have a long fucking day today. You know what I mean? I'm streaming, and then I gotta hop on TRADEIFY stream at 10:30 Central Time, 11:30 EST. And then I gotta go pick up my truck because it's getting a nice little detail. And also the windows are getting tinted. Tinted. Windows are getting tinted, you know? Put a little privacy in the truck. Ain't nobody see through. And then we gotta go to my son's appointment. And then I gotta drive 3.5 hours, bro. I gotta drive 3.5 hours. And here I am streaming at 7 a.m. in the morning. It's gonna be a long day, chat. Long day. So I need y'all to do me a favor. I need the likes up on the stream. Chat, I need you guys to help me make it worth it. Get those likes up on the stream for me. It's much appreciated. Trader's Nest, good morning. We're doing good. We're doing good. A little tired. But we're doing good. Wow, look at these buyers. Little pre-CPI bid action here. Almost 100 points up from this low. Chat, we got 2.5 minutes before all hell breaks loose in the market and things go absolutely bananas. Now 62% of you say we're going to 24 or 23K. 23K on Nasdaq after CPI. Here's the thing, chat. We had such a sell-off yesterday that if it's a lackluster event and it don't do shit, we already know that shit got leaked yesterday. That's what we know. Is if CPI doesn't do absolutely shit, it got leaked yesterday. Minute and a half, chat. Minute and a half. All right, chat. Less than a minute. Less than a minute. What's my game plan for CPI? Watch it all unfold and then see what we get after. All right, chat. CPI time. Initial bid. Big old Bitsky. We might be going back 25K, chat. Okay. All right. We might be going to 25, back to 25Ks. But is the first move a fake move, chat? Do we bid and then sell off? We've seen it before. To be honest, we've ripped 120 points. I mean, wait, 120? Yeah, roughly. The news candle is about 120. Chat, anybody YOLO it? Who YOLO'd it? All right, getting some sellers here. Getting a little sellers. Oh. Did we know constant? No, about that. A bit of sellers here. I need to make sure my trade sinker's set up before I take a trade. Should have done that already. SP King, what up? What up, G? What up, GOAT? All right, looks like I'm good. Paul Memphis. What up? Good morning. All right, what are we looking for here? What's the levels up high? Did I take it? No. No, I haven't taken anything yet. Kind of wait and see what happens here. I almost wonder if we're going to continue catching a bid. Don't let it play out for a minute. See if we can get some levels here, get a trade going. I'd like to see us, pull back, honestly. I really don't like the longs, chat. I really don't. I'm not favoring longs. But you know what's crazy, though? Is we've kind of gone nowhere. We really haven't done anything. The news candle was 126 points on the 1 minute. And we're kind of almost going right back to where we were. So we kind of done nothing. I guess we see like how market open takes it. But honestly, it was kind of a nothing burger, chat. Traders are pricing in a 50% chance of a third Fed rate cut this year. 50% chance. Just seeing what other headlines came out here to see if there was any other headlines besides like the CPI numbers, but anything else like revolving around CPI that we should know about. Checking through some news here, chat. Checking through some news. Yeah, it looks like a lot of people are expecting a third rate cut this year. So 3 rate cuts this year. Nasdaq came down to VWAP here, trying to get back above yesterday's close. You came early before market would happen. Yeah, I said I would be live on YouTube for CPI. I said I was gonna go live. Which, as a reminder, chat, if you're not already subbed the channel, be sure to hit that sub button. We are live daily, baby. Live daily in the morning and evening for Asia session. Obviously, no Asia session today, but other days we have Asia session streams too. So if you're not subscribed, hit that sub, baby. JMD, wait. Do as your thumbnail says. Bullish. I like it. Chat, you like the thumbnail? Looks pretty dope, huh? Got a new one going. Chat, are y'all still keeping up with all the Top Step drama, dude? Bro, it's just like non-stop. It just keeps going. It doesn't end. The Top Step drama just does not end, chat. It's crazy. You got MP all over Twitter now responding to everyone's comments and like kind of being a troll. I don't know if it's a good look, chat. I really don't. I don't know if it's a good look at all. You should have fought him for it. You should have thrown hands saying, listen, that's mine. Exactly. It's 7:30 in the morning. You throw hands. Yes. Oh, chat. Best sound in the world. You ready? Wait a minute. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom. There it is. Chat, my wife went and got me a Celsius and she was supposed to get me a strawberry kiwi. And she said she literally watched the guy get the last strawberry kiwi. I don't know. In my opinion, she should have beat his ass. And took it from him. Because that's mine. I mean, we throw hands over Celsius. So she should have whooped his ass, took it from him. Gave him this one. And brought me the strawberry kiwi, chat. That's just my opinion. Look at the buyers. 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 Yoda. Good morning. Yeah, this music's kind of a vibe. Wait, why didn't anybody tell me my audio was so low? Chat, what are you guys doing, bro? I rely on you for these things. I really do. I just looked over at my audio board. My audio was low. Chat, I rely on you guys telling me these things. Do I need to like find a new chat? Is that what I need to do? Do I need to hire a new chat? Because, bro, you guys, y'all are supposed to be on that. Yeah, I'm sure it sounds good now. Jay, what, you want us to do it all for you? Remind us about copier and audio? Yeah, I do. Bro, y'all hella fired. Had to DJ in that one. Nice. Do I use Alex? No, I use Daniel. I know what you're asking, Nam. No, I don't. Nope. I don't. First time trading CPI and DJ'd it. Now, did you win? But did you win? That's the question. Nam. Oh, wait. That wasn't Nam that said that. Akaharas? I definitely butchered the shit out of your name. But did you win? That's the question, bro. If you DJ in CPI, did you win? I'm gonna take that as a no. 134. 134 drawdown left to blow funded. Now balance is. Oof. G, good morning. Some more sellers coming through here. A 2K win. Oh, you won 2K. Okay. Yeah. W. Big dubs. Trader King, hola. What? Good. I'm going away from Apex. Apex on funded is out of control. MAE, what's, hold on. MAE, what's MAE? I'm getting MAE violations when I'm 100% sure I'm not hitting 30%. What's MAE? Toss up has been so unpredictable. All of a sudden, sad to see this really. Yeah, it's kind of unfortunate, but it is what it is. Maximum adverse excursions? What the fuck is that? Chat, what is maximum adverse excursions? Apex. Oh, I see what you're. Okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, are you talking about the 30? Yeah, you're talking about the negative 30% rule. Is that what you mean? It sounds like a scientific term. Yeah, the negative 30. I got you. I got you now. I was so confused, bro. It's too fucking early to be throwing fucking huge ass words at me right now. Bro, throwing some scientific shit at me. I'm just like, bro, it's 7:40 in the morning. Holy. Top step is losing trust. It is. It 100% is. Boy, buyer's really trying to hold this bid here, huh? Kind of like it, honestly, chat. I kind of like it to the buy side. Get a little bounce off VWAPski. You do TRADEIFY, Lucid, and IQ Capital? Who the fuck is IQ Capital? Who is that? Is that another firm? I'm not even hitting 30%, which is 750 on 50K. I'm trading micros. Anyways, Apex, I feel, is doing shady with them. Yeah. Apex has been shady about a whole lot of shit. I mean, they pay. Don't get me wrong. If you follow every single rule in the book, they'll pay you. I've been paid by Apex, so I know they pay. But you just gotta follow every piece of fine print in the contract. You know what I mean? In my opinion, there's two goats right now in the prop firm space. There's two goats. There's TRADEIFY, and then there's Lucid. Tickle, in this case, says tickle that like and sub, everyone, if you haven't yet. Miss K trying to start a tickle fight. Holy. Oh yeah, TPT is good too. TPT is good. There's three. Okay, so three goats. You're right. I rock with you on that. There's three goats. TRADEIFY, Lucid, and TPT. My funded futures, I don't know. I've never really I haven't used my funded futures to know if they're good or not, to be honest. I just kind of take everyone else's word for it. Sydney, yeah, TPT is good too. I think those are the three goats, to be honest. I haven't used Trade Day, but I've heard good things about them. My funded futures I use almost exclusively until they got rid of the core plan. G-Man, I know you hate TPT, bro. G-Man had the worst experience at TPT, dude. And I really hate that because TPT is really good. And G-Man just had the worst customer support experience of his life. Holy. Yeah, I don't like trade days 80-20 either. Isn't my fund of futures 80-20 as well? Chaz, my fund of futures 80-20 too? I think so. Nasdaq still trying to hold a bid here. So glad I got my trading done during the Asia session. Yo, GG's. I'm gonna work on these TRADEIFY funded accounts today. We are back to funded accounts with TRADEIFY. You're coming after that 46, bro. No, you ain't. No, you ain't, bro. Listen, if you beat my 46-day green streak, G-Man, I promise you, I will give you max allocation at TRADEIFY. You will get 5 accounts if you beat my 46-day green streak. But I don't think you will, bro. I'm gonna doubt you. G-Man, I'm gonna doubt you, bro. No, truthfully, I hope you do it. I really do. Truthfully, like, I really hope you do. It's a hard thing to do. A 46-day green streak is very hard to do. And I'll be honest, chat, I wasn't perfect. There were days where I was red, and I was like, no, I can't have a red day yet. Until I turned it around. I won't lie, I did that 100%. There was like, I mean, there wasn't very many days I did that. I mean, there was like maybe 2 or 3 where I was like kind of red, and I probably should have called it a day, but I was like, no. Like, we're not doing this right now. And so I turned it around. Probably not the best. But I'm not perfect. I'll be honest. If you see, I was red one day, it took 48 trades to get out, bro. That's the most mentally exhausting thing. I've been there. Dude, I've so been there. And I mean, I was deep red at one point. Deep red, chat. Deep red. I tilted so hard. I have a horrifying story. I really do. And I haven't told you guys this yet, but I'll go ahead and tell you. Because why not? I mean, we've gotten past we've lost our green streak, so might as well tell you guys. There was one day, and this is in the personal account, chat, and imagine how sick you'd feel if this happened to you. I entered a position on minis. I think I was 5 minis deep. All right. I was in a winning position. And I went to add 2 minis to my position. Instead of entering 2 minis, it was on TRADEIFY too, by the way. I was working off TRADEIFY. When I put in 2, I didn't erase the 5. And didn't know it. So when I added, I added 25 contracts, chat. I was 30 deep. Minis. 30. And the trade turned red. Talk about having to really manage the fuck out of a trade. I mean, at one point the trade was down like 15K. 15,000. The trade went down. And I had to manage the fuck out of that trade. Granted, I didn't lose money. I think I came out maybe like a couple grand in green. Yeah, it was on my personal. Chat, I was so scared, bro. Chat, I was so scared, bro. Oh my god, dude. I was so sick. I really was. Seeing my shit down 15K. Bro, I was sick. So sick. But it was like one of those things where it's like the trade still looks like it's going to work. I was like, do I close this out for a massive loss when I'm like almost 100% confident that I'm right on this trade? Like, chat, what do? You know what I mean? Like, what do you do in this? Like, you take the most epic setup, you're right. Like, you have a great trade and it's just pulling back. And you're down 10K or 15K. You're down 15K because of a mistake. And it's like, what do you do? Do you take the trade off, even though you're right, and take the 15K loss? Or do you just manage it? Like, chat, what would you do? And keep in mind, it's on a personal account. Yo, Joe, you ever asked Brett why they don't have micro silver but they have minis? I haven't asked him. At that point, I would just cry and pray for the best. Facts. Any advice on trading 150K select? I've never played with a big account like that. I would just like, now I trade minis on 150Ks. I don't trade micros. There's even times where I trade minis on 100K on the 100K accounts, but on the 150Ks, you have a 40% consistency rule. Don't trade the consistency rule. That's the biggest thing. Just put green on the board and do that consistently. That's just what I would do. I would trade maybe 1 to 2 minis and just put green on the board. That's all I would do. Don't like go for massive trades. You've been more successful with 150K accounts on Top Step. I don't know what it is about 150Ks. I'm always more successful with 100Ks. I think the 150Ks, I just lose patience. And I'm like, okay, we got to go. Like, I think that's what it is. I just lose patience. You think going forward, you're gonna do the 100K accounts? Yeah, I like them so much more. I feel like I feel like the drawdown to profit target ratio is just so good. It's like easier to pass, but you still have like enough drawdown. And I don't know. I mean, it's like a 3K difference on profit target, which can make a huge difference. So I don't know. I feel like they're just better. Just waiting for Brad. So you'll be on stream today. Yeah, it will be. Jay, I saw your offspring in the tax vid. They take all your patients. Yes, they do. Yes. Going to purchase 550K select accounts. Pactoon, use code JM. Send me a screenshot in Discord if you do, and that'll enter you for a straight to funded account. Which, by the way, chat, if you use code JM at TRADEIFY, send me a screenshot in Discord. That'll enter you for 100. That'll enter you for a 50K straight to funded account, chat. Kind of worth it, you know what I mean? I mean, if you're gonna buy the accounts anyways, you might as well use my code than be entered for a giveaway. Also, if you buy straight to funded account, that's 3 entries of the giveaway. So straight to funded accounts have 3 entries of the giveaway. Evals have 1 entry, and you can have as many entries as you want. Getting some sellers here. Still unable to push higher. A lot of wicks in the 15-minute chat. Look at this. 15-minute getting very wicky. Wiki, wiki, wiki. You banned like 5 impersonators yesterday? Yo, there's so many of them, dude. And it's like there's just no way to get around it either. You don't like the consistency and daily loss limit? The select accounts, they don't have daily loss limit. They just have the 40% consistency, but when you get to the funded, there is no consistency rule. DLL saved you though. It saves a lot of people, honestly. I don't hate the loss limits, because if you ever do go on tilt, they do kind of save you. And give you one more shot at your account before you just absolutely blow it. All right, still getting some sellers here on Nasdaq. Right back down to VWAP. Getting some decent sellers, actually. Just bought a 50K account without using the promo code. Oh, GG's. Holy Kyla. Kyla, what happened? What happened, Kyla? Talk to me. Still getting some sellers coming through here. Nice rejection up here. We couldn't sweep this high. Couldn't sweep the high there. Nice rejection. See what happens. These lows here. Just in a hurry, I guess. You were in a hurry to make some money, huh? Just in a hurry to make a milli, baby. Look at the sellers. Look at the sellers. Look at the sellers. Seller's really trying to push us down here, chat. Oh. We're kind of running these lows here. I mean, below 14s, we could get kind of selly. Am I the only one receiving announcements in YouTube? Announcements? What kind of announcements? Yup, correct. I feel you. I feel you, baby. No time, no time. Amos is a ICT trader. He trades FVGs, IVGs. Holding these lows here. Yeah, he comes on after me and Matt. Oh, there's ads on my hair. Oh, chat. Why don't y'all tell me these things, bro? Chat, I really rely on you guys to be like, yo, Joey, there's shit happening on your stream. Here. I'll turn ads off for you. Yeah, Amos is a good trader. There, you shouldn't receive ads anymore. Bielka, it's all good, baby. G-Man, you start talking that shit again, bro. I'm gonna hit the ad button. I got a button where I can run ads on you, dude. I really can. I have a button to run them. So you keep talking shit to me. Listen, I'll run ads on you and make money. You know what I mean? I get paid to run ads on my shit. So you keep talking that shit. Listen, I'm gonna run them. All right, Nasdaq just kind of hovering VWAP here. I'm not opposed to shorts. We have like 15 minutes till market open. But I don't know. We did run these lows here, so I'm almost curious to see what happens after we ran these lows. If we do want to buy the same back up, but I'm curious to see what happens at New York Open. We are rejecting VWAP there a little bit. It might get a little jumpy as we get into New York Open. New York Open will kind of tell us everything about the CPI report, if investors liked it or not. Is gold catching a bid? Let's see. Oh yeah. Gold is catching a bid. About 14 minutes till market open. Still rejecting VWAP here. Are some sellers. Chat, while we wait for market open, I'm gonna be right back, baby. Be right back. Chat, I'm back. I'm back. Bielka says, Joey, it's crazy. I was feeling so confident past my eval, and I did it in just 3 effing days. And then I was trying to keep the same confidence to finally get a payout. I ended up blowing any advice. I feel like I'm so close. Because you are so close. That's why you feel it. However, when you get to funded, you need to trade your funded a little bit slower than the evals. You gotta trade them a little bit slower. Build a buffer. Focus on building, not getting paid. Focus on building, 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 building. That's a secret. The secret is don't trade to get a payout, trade to build. That's the secret sauce, Bielka. You trade to get a payout, you get nervous. You start getting too emotionally attached. And it just doesn't work that way. You gotta let the payout come to you, baby. Let it come to you. Kyla says, I can confess the same thing happened to me. Well, you just heard the advice, baby. You just heard the advice. I like to build a buffer in the account when I know I can get at least 2 payouts out of it. It's like if I'm going to take a 2K payout out of each of my accounts, I like to build, like, I like to get to at least 6 to 8K. Because then I know I will probably squeeze at least 2 payouts out of them. If I build to 8K, I take a 2K payout, it's going to leave me 6K in the account. Still leaving me over the threshold to get another trade, to get another payout. And all I got to do is just trade the rest, like, of the days. That way I don't ever got to feel like I'm trying to trade towards a payout. Like I'm already eligible. I just got to trade the rest of the days and then just take it. So then I know that I'll secure at least 2 payouts. And keep on going, baby. Keep on going. Trying to get my 150Ks to 10K each so I can take 5K from them. That's still a good, pretty good one. I mean, yeah, I personally, I like the idea of having 10K in the accounts and requesting above that. But to each their own. Big Frank, good morning. Good morning. We got about 5.5 minutes still open. Nasdaq hanging out here in the 720s. Chat, what do we think? All right, so 55% of you say we go 23K today. 45% say no. Anything's possible. We could rip all the way back up from yesterday's sell-off. Or we could just have continuation. We never really know, chat. We never really know, bro. Market's gonna do what the market does. Tell them to smash it or you'll smash them. Holy. That like button need to be smashed, baby. Holy. All right, we got about 2 minutes till market open, chat. 2 minutes. Be aware, baby, be aware. I don't think we have any other news. I think CPI was it today. So no more news the rest of the day. Nasdaq trying to hold a bit of a bid here. That'd be wild if we do retrace part of yesterday's. That's a lot. It's about 700 points. Hi, G. I have an interesting level down here at 272. Or no, sorry, 240. That low from the 5th there. Interesting little level there. If I group trade, or if I group 2 TRADEIFY accounts on TRADEIFY and I open 4 contracts, does it open 2 on the one account and 2 on the other? Or does it open 4 contracts? It'll be 2 and 2. Yeah. 2 and 2. Oh, chat, I didn't even realize market was open. Holy. Didn't even realize market is open. See what we got here, chat. Let's see what we got. Nice sweep of the low there. I'm thinking a little bit of a buy up here, chat. I don't know. Things might get a little bit bullish. There's a nice buy up. Do we get bullish today? Holy. Nasdaq's very jumpy. Very, very jumpy. See what's gold doing. Gold's still trying to catch a bid here. Yeah, Nasdaq's very jumpy, chat. Wow. A lot of ups and downs here. Try to let it calm down for a minute. More sellers coming through. We have about a 33-point ATR. Size down a little bit. That's on a 1 minute time frame. So size down a bit, chat. Size down a bit. Some more sellers coming through. Sellers still trying to come in here. I'm looking for this level to hold, chat. I really am, but I don't know. The sellers here have me a bit nervous. Got me a little bit nervous. For the longs, anyways. Buyers can't take it higher and sellers can't take it lower. I know, dude. It's like a tug of war. It is a tug of war. Buyers need to really step it up, though, because sellers trying to take over. Well, you obviously need to drink a Celsius before entering a trade. You need that jolt to free your mind and read the charts better. Of course. That's why I got it right here. That's why I got it right here, baby. Sellers trying to step up here. We'll see if we hold. I don't know. We get the lows at 618 there, 617. So we'll see if we do hold that. Wait for a winner and then wait for a retest in that direction. I like it. What up, Enrique? I really don't have a bias for today yet. Just considering that we had CPI, I'm really just waiting to see what kind of direction the market wants to take. I mean, the low down there at 617 looks good to hold. So if I had to pick a direction, I would be thinking long, but hard to say. Hard to say. Like this low here. It looks good to hold. Oops. But anything can happen. I mean, it's CPI day. Sellers can come in, we can just smoke right through it. So we're just waiting. Sellers coming back through here. Might be coming down these lows. Holy, look out. You haven't already smashed a like button. Mr. Joey got up early to be with us for CPI. That's right, I did, bro. I should have still been asleep. I would love nothing more to be sleeping soundly, chat. Soundly. In my bed. Man, does that sound good, chat? Wow. Wow. Sleeping soundly. We have a 70-point ATR in the 15-minute chat. 70 points. 36-point ATR in the 1 minute. That's insane. 38 points on the 1 minute. That is crazy. 38-point ATR on the 1 minute, chat. Y'all should be sizing the fuck down. Because this shit moving, boy. Moving. Means the average movement on a 1 minute candle is 38 points. Fuck. There we go, running those lows. Holy. 40-point ATR. Chat, 40-point ATR on the 1 minute is insane. That's crazy. That's some shit you see on the 5 minute time frame. On the 1 minute, it's just wild. Fuck it, let's go to 23K, chat. What do we think? Let's go to 23Ks, bro. Jesus. Let the selling sell. Let the selling sell, baby. Everything flushing, G-Man. Everything. Everything flushing. Big old buy up here. Wow. Jesus. What in the fuck, dude? A 41 ATR, chat, bro. 41-point ATR on the 1 minute is insane, dude. Actually, that's insane. Fuck, dude. What's on the 5 minute? 53 points on the 5 minute. 42 points on the 1 minute. Jesus. Chat, I hope you guys are sized down, because bro, this will kill your fucking shit. Like, your counts will get cooked, bro. Absolutely just get cooked. Y'all gotta trade this safely. Look at this buy. Wow. 138 points. Fucking hell. 45-point ATR at 1 minute. And right back to VWAP. Jeez, Louise, baby. Wow. Nice buy up. Any pullback for me to get long off of? Like, hello? I want to get long. I need a pullback. I need a pullback, chat. Dude. Chat, this is a wild market today. Wild. 47-point ATR on the 1 minute. Chat, it just keeps getting bigger. Chat, the 1 minute ATR is 47 points, chat. Do y'all realize how insane that is? Like, is that clicking? Do y'all realize the insanity behind that? This makes your gambling side happy. Holy dude, I'm like kind of nervous to trade it, to be honest. I'm gonna throw this up on the Instagram stories. I haven't seen a 48.1 minute ATR in a long time. I mean, bro, this just went straight up. Sweep these highs. Just past 50K, nice. I would love to be long, but I'm just trying to find an entry. It's hard to get one when you just rip like that. All right, we're into two micros there. And basically just went straight to drawdown. Gonna widen the stops up. Gotta have wide stops. Gotta have wide stops. This thing, if this goes back down to the lows, bro, I'm gonna stay out of this market for today. I want to see this thing hold here. Get this thing back above VWAP here. Or just reject it again. We have a 51 point ATR chat on the 1 minute. Just insane. Come on, let's get back above VWAP. No time, no time. Wow, what a rejection there. What a rejection there. You know, customer. Nowhere to go. Come on, Naz. Find some strength here. Oh, Naz is failing VWAP here again. Need buyers to hold this bid. There we go. Let's keep that moving. I'm gonna move my target up and trail. See if we can take the high and trail this up. We want to see the highs get taken. Not come back down like this though. Okay. We're going to take it off for a $50 loss there. I don't like that reject, so we're just going to take it off. I'm not going to let it turn that red on me after being so far up like that. Doesn't make sense. So we're down $50. Not bad. Not bad. I was really wanting to see the highs get taken up here, but it just pulled back and rejected it. Crazy rejection here. Crazy rejection, chat. Insane. Insanity. There's a lot of sellers that just came through. 55-point ATR, chat. That's the biggest ATR I've seen on a 1 minute. 55 points. Wild. Hopefully you guys are trading safe and sizing down on this, dude, because this is some extreme volatility. Pretty extreme. Full porting. Full port it, baby. Full port it. $15-minute looking real weak. Look at this wick on the 15, chat. Big old wick. Big old wicksky. Dude, if this thing buys all the way back up, that would be insane. Insane. There's buy up again. Bro. Brother. I'm gonna try long one more time, chat. One more time. Holding VWAP again. Let's see if we can get the move here. Yeah, it's easy to get chopped in this. You just got to have those wider stops. Smaller size, wider stops. You got to think we have a 50.1 minute ATR, so up and down can be a big range. Just need to hold VWAP, but we're just not able to do it, bro. VWAP is trying to screw me, chat. Wide stops. Wide stops matter. Small size, wide stops, chat. Small size, wide stops. That's how you trade volatility. Small size, wide stops. Just hold VWAP for me, buyers. That's all I ask. Hold VWAP. Get us on up there. See if it'll give me the highs now. Give me the highs, give me the highs, give me the highs. Give me highs. Oh, this thing pulls back under VWAP, chat. That's going to be annoying. I don't understand why we can't get the highs here. Give me highs. All right, we're just going to take it there. $400 in profit there. We're taking $400 in profit. We're going to take it. Take the profit, baby. Take the profit. Take the profit. Take the profit. Something I gotta remember. I would love to get the highs, and maybe it does go to the highs, but I gotta remember what I said, that I just gotta be taking profits. Taking profits, taking profits, taking profits. That's what we gotta do. And that's what we did. Profits secured. W's. How much money is taking a small profit for me? I don't know. Like probably under 100 would be small. Under 150 would be small. Nice, Kylo. GG's. Appreciate it, cashier. That was a struggle. I mean, we have such a big ATR chat. Like, you have to trade small and trade wide. Like, you have to have wide stops. Wide stops won't, or tight stops aren't going to survive in this market. You just have to have wider stops. And I mean like 40, 50 point stops, chat. I mean, you really do. Trading, you know, a couple micros, 2 to 3 micros, 40, 50 point stops. Like, that's just, I mean, we have a 50.1 minute ATR, chat. So even on a 50 point stop, a 1 minute candle can take you out. That's how much volatility is in the market. So you just have to widen those stops and let the price action do its thing. What happened to my mouse, bro? Where's my mouse? Chat, my mouse is gone. Did my mouse die? What? Oh no. Where's my mouse? My mouse, chat, my mouse died. Holy. RIP, baby. Jesus. Kyla says, my first day here and I like what I see. Well, Kyla, I definitely listen. Lock in with me real quick. I definitely appreciate you being here. Welcome. Welcome. You're in a good spot, baby. You're in a good spot. We have a banger community, especially, chat, if you're not in Discord, I'd encourage you guys to hop in there. I'd encourage you to hop in because we got a banger fucking community, baby. Everybody here is trying to make money. We got no drama, no BS, no nothing, dude. Nothing. We just got people in here making money, trying to get better at trading. People that are probably where you're at in your trading journey. Everybody here to help each other. So if you're not in Discord, check that link in the description, baby. Holy chat. We need to get the holy sign. I think we do. I think we need to get it. Chat, you know what I've been seeing? I've been seeing more and more streamers take my fucking catchphrase, bro. I really have. Chat, the holy is mine. All right. That's mine. I coined it. Okay. It's mine. Now everybody else is taking it, bro. Everybody trying to cop my shit, dude. Everybody trying to be like me when I do duck race giveaways, right? When we do the giveaways and duck races, everybody's trying to be like me on those. Everybody's copping my holy. You know what I mean? Like, it's just, bro. Like, I know it's catchy, but come on, fam. Come on, fam. Be original. We were so good trading gold and silver that the prop firms are banning them from being traded. Yeah. Make them pay for copyright infringement? Oh, I should. I really should. I catched it. It is catchy. I mean, it's kind of addicting. I won't say addicting, but it's one of those things where it's like once it's in your head, it's kind of hard to say holy in a different way. But we do need to get the holy sign, chat. We do. We need to put it like right here. That's where we need to put it. And we're right back down to VWAP, chat. Look at that exit, dude. What an exit. That is a prime example of why taking profits fucking matters, dude. And not get greedy. I got greedy on one trade where I should have taken the profits, and it damn near flipped red on me. This trade, we took profits. We said, all right, you know what? We're not going to go for the highs. We're not going to be greedy. We're just going to take the profits. We banged 400 on that trade. Take the profits, dude. Just take them. Take them, take them, take them. King of exit. That was a fucking top tick exit. I mean, a literal top tick. We got out literally at the top there. Because if we didn't chat and we're still holding it, we would be red on this trade right now. We would be right back to red. And there would be nothing more annoying than that. Literally. Back to VWAP. Holy, I know, dude. I know. Right back to VWAP. The VWAP's being a little bit of a magnet. Little bit of a magnet. Chat, I gotta be on TRADEIFY stream here in an hour 20, hour and 10 actually. So I'll be on TRADEIFY stream in about an hour and 10 minutes. Chat, I might like, what do I want to do? I might just hop off and like try to get some more food in me, a little bit to drink, get ready for the TRADEIFY stream. Because I got to stream there for an hour on TRADEIFY. Chat, if you're not in Discord, I would encourage you to do so. I don't have anything to sell you. I don't have a course or a mentorship. So I don't try to sell you anything. So if you want to hop in Discord, feel free. I'll leave it in your hands. I'm not going to beg you. If you want to be part of a community that's absolutely banger and probably like one of the most helpful, like obviously like we're a smaller community, but chat, we've been growing fast, dude. Like I don't know what happened like this month, but this month we've been growing a lot. And it's been good to see because like for December and January, we kind of hit like a growth wall in the community. And now all of a sudden for February, we just been growing, right? So the train's moving. If you want to join, I would encourage you to hop in. With that said though, I'm going to call it a morning on my stream. I'm going to get ready for TRADEIFY stream here in a little bit. Just kind of decompress from all the action here because this was kind of crazy. And yeah. Tune in and TRADEIFY here in a little bit. I'll be there. Love you guys. Stay beautiful, baby. Peace.